from the very start. I died from a broken heart. Unless you said that you loved me. And the first time I saw your face, my life fell into place. I guess I'm no poet with words, but I can honestly say I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is lying out on the floor, I'd still go to war for you and bleed crimson. These vows, these promises, I don't say in jest. And I hope you know this. I'm not always so brave, but where there's a will, there's a way. I'll always be there by your side, and I can honestly say I will bleed crimson for no reason if you ask me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my aching body is tired and down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson. If you asked, I'd give my last breath. I would do anything for you. Are the one my heart beats for. I would bleed crimson for no reason if you asked me to. I'd walk through fire, be a liar, even steal for you. And when my tired body is dying down on the floor, I'd get up once more for you and bleed crimson like no one before. For you